Coming up, we'll tell you what we know about a car pedestrian crash in northeastern Sioux Falls.
Plus, how you can help Sioux Falls police in the search for a runaway teen. Good morning, this is KOTG on the go with all you need to know in news and weather as you start your day.
One man is dead after a two-vehicle crash in Brookings County. Shortly before 7 o'clock Friday night, a car was heading west on Highway 324 south of Aurora when it struck a deer. The hit sent the deer into the windshield of a pickup. The pickup then went into the ditch.
The driver of the pickup was taken to a Brookings hospital with life-threatening injuries. He was then airlifted to a Sioux Falls hospital where he died from his injuries. The 5 passengers and driver of the car were not hurt. South Dakota's Highway Patrol is investigating the crash.
We have learned the name of a man killed in a crash last Wednesday night. The South Dakota Department of Public Safety has announced that 58-year-old Charles Sledadal of Stockholm, South Dakota, was killed.
The crash happened 4 miles north of Watertown on Interstate 29. Sioux Falls police are investigating a car pedestrian crash that sent a man to the hospital. It happened in the area of 3rd Street and Cliff Avenue just before 8 o'clock Saturday night.
Police say the victim is a 50-year-old man. This is a developing story. Stay with KETTLELAND News on air and online for updates as they become available.
Sioux Falls police are asking for your help in finding a runaway teen. Mystery Matinas is 13 years old, stands 4'7", and weighs 130 pounds.
She was last seen around 22nd and Cleveland wearing all black clothing. Call police if you know where she is. A former priest who stole thousands of dollars from the Diocese of Rapid City is now facing child sex charges. 42-year-old Marcin Garbach is charged with sexual contact with a minor and possessing child pornography.
Authorities say an FBI agent discovered the child porn on one of his thumb drives while investigating the financial crimes against him. Garbach stole $260,000 in cash donations from the diocese and is scheduled for a sentencing hearing in that case today. Turning to weather now, southeastern KETTLELAND saw some moisture over the weekend.
But is there more on the way? Let's find out with meteorologist Scott Munn. Good morning, Scott.
Well, good morning, you two. Good morning, KETTLELAND. We are looking at a chance for drizzle, light rain showers in parts of eastern and southeastern KETTLELAND as we go through the day today into tonight and tomorrow. Then after that, it looks dry for Thanksgiving and for Black Friday as temperatures will hit the 40s for afternoon highs, but turning colder next week. I'll have more details on the KETTLELAND Live Doppler forecast coming up.
Thanks, Scott. 42 more South Dakotans have died due to COVID-19, according to Sunday's update from the South Dakota Department of Health. The death toll is now at 819. There have been 404 deaths reported since November 1st.
State health officials also confirmed 851 new cases yesterday, bringing the total number of cases to just over 73,000 since the pandemic began. New numbers are expected later this morning. As people around the world await the release of a coronavirus vaccine, Sanford Health is preparing to store and distribute doses of the vaccine. Sanford purchased 6 freezers in late August and will store the Pfizer vaccine at -80, while Moderna is stored at -20.
Pfizer has a 5-day window for use once it's removed from the freezer, while Moderna is good for 30 days.
There are also requirements around the temperature monitoring and tracking, so we have to make sure that we're storing and can prove that we've stored the vaccines at appropriate temperatures. We have to log the temperature of the vaccine as we transport and distribute that to the locations in coolers, and that would then be a refrigerator temperature that we have to maintain in that process.
Breidenbach hopes for widespread availability early next year. COVID-19 is causing many people to stay home for Thanksgiving. According to AAA, 83% of South Dakotans surveyed say they're staying in place for the holiday.
Of that number, 44% say they're not traveling because of the pandemic.
There are a lot of South Dakotans who are concerned about travel. We're seeing future bookings are ticking up a little bit, but for the current holiday, it's it's flat compared to what we've had in the years past.
The CDC says the best way to protect yourself and others from COVID-19 is to stay home.
And that's a look at some of our top stories.
Now let's get one last look at your weather with meteorologist Scott Munn. Scott?
All right, thank you, you two. Good morning, KETTLELAND. We'll continue to watch thicker clouds for today, and along with it, a chance for drizzle. Maybe a quick hit of some light rain to go along with that, while western South Dakota will have clear skies, sunshine expected in western KETTLELAND for today. We'll continue with our rain chances and drizzle as we go through the overnight hours and into tomorrow. Now, the amounts of rain, they'll be heaviest south of Interstate 90. You do see a couple of areas here at around a ½ inch from Yankton over towards Spencer, Iowa. Sioux Falls may end up close to about a 1/10 of an inch. And then we'll have dry skies for Thanksgiving Day. Temperatures mainly in the 40s, a little cooler in the northern South Dakota. And Black Friday, same thing. Looks like we'll have dry skies and temperatures in the 40s. Forecast for today showing highs in the 40s and 50s. We'll have 50s where we have the sunshine in western South Dakota. And of course, you can always check that 7-day forecast while you're here online at KELOLAND.com.